Hello everybody, welcome back to another craft room organization video. I typically put these out on Monday. Sometimes they are videos like this where I'm just sharing how I store something, or sometimes I take you a little bit deeper on how I am reorganizing some of the areas in my room and some of the different items that I have in my craft room. For this video, it is going to be very short. As you could probably tell, my voice is very raspy. I have been talking a lot lately and it is taking a toll on my voice. I normally don't talk that much, so I definitely need to let my voice rest a little bit. But I did want to share another craft room organization video with you guys. If you enjoy these organization videos on Mondays, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me know that you guys are enjoying them, and it also helps YouTube know to recommend these types of videos to other crafters, and it really helps my channel out tremendously. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know how you store all of your sprays. I love getting new ideas and seeing how everybody else stores different items in their craft room. Today I am just going to share how I store all of my sprays and some of my paints, like my impasto paints and different acrylic paints and things like that. I used to have them in my Raskog cart. Although it was a great solution to keep them all together, it just didn't work for me. As you could see, some of the sprays have little swatches on the top. They fall off. I've tried every different adhesive that I can find and they just end up falling off. So I'm always constantly trying to find the right color, pulling every single spray out until I find the right color, and it was just way too time consuming for me. So I decided to get these shelves from IKEA. I got a shorter length and I put two side by side and I have 3 rows. I wanted them to be shorter. That way, if I change things around in my room, I'm not stuck with these really long shelves that might not fit somewhere else if I decide to change things up in my room. But as you could see, it holds a ton of sprays and inks and just paints and all kinds of different things. But I will say, as you could tell, they are not in rainbow order. I know some of my friends are going to be freaking out about this because they always have to have things in rainbow order, but I don't work like that. I tried to have them in order, but as I put them back, because I take so many out at a time, I'm just lazy and I don't put them back where they're supposed to be. So that doesn't work for me. I'm just keeping it real. I don't have a magazine picture perfect room. I like what works for me. And I mean, it does look nice. I enjoy looking at it. It adds a little bit of color to my room, but the rainbow order just doesn't work for me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.